Then the Lord said to Noah, "Go into the ark, and you and all your household, for you alone in this generation have I found to be righteous before me."
Come, family. God has requested that we build an ark. All of humanity will be wiped out. We must save ourselves in a pair of each animal. 7th day is here. The flood will arise soon. Calling all animals, board my ark in the name of God.
Of every clean animal take with you 7 pairs, a male and its mate, and of the unclean animals 1 pair, a male and its mate.
Those are real pigs.
Likewise, of every bird of the air 7 pairs, a male and a female, to keep their progeny alive over the earth.
The flood has come.
The Lord wiped out every being on earth, human beings and animals, the crawling things and the birds of the air, all wiped out from the earth. Only Noah and those with him in the ark were left.